And I'm gonna grab 4 shares of this ESmini future. We're gonna see if this thing can gap and go a little bit. So we got a gap overnight. ESmini futures at 25.93. So ESmini futures are taking off. Got us a gap and go. They're up 12 points. They're holding ESminis. Long at 25.93. So I'm up 2 points on it. Get new highs. Or you say the futures now making new highs. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell. Go ahead and sell two contracts up here at 96. Sold 2 shares up around 25.96. Got in at 25.93. Wait for this 5-minute candle to close and see what happens with the next candle. If the stock continues to drop lower, I'll definitely go ahead and get out. If not, I'll ride it higher. So that's the plan for ES. All right, so we got our flag set up for ES. Got our flagpole right here. Then a slight pullback. Found the area of support. These 2 downward pushes, stock couldn't press lower. Demand picked up. Now the next thing we need to see is stock break out of this flag area with increase in volume. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this ES trade. Looks like it's starting to just go sideways for a little bit. Also PLAY play. If it can break back above, what's this, 55.43, which is a 50% retracement, and look to take a position in that. Grab a small piece of this play and put my stop at that 50% fib. Retracement. Some long play at 56.14. Long some square, 39.09. So my stop at square is right at this resistance yesterday, 38.59. That's my stop. Look like that play's holding up and play's just hanging out. I'm gonna sell 250 of this square. There's play. Alright, so I'll let 250 shares of square go at 39.24. So my stop is now break even. 39.09. Play finally caught that bid. There we go. There we go. 56.90. So I'm selling 100 shares up there at 57. Move my stop to break even. And I'm gonna move this to the top, make it a little easier on myself. So target on play is 58.84 or 58.48, which is just overnight pre-market resistance. So now we're just managing the position. Once you win and you locked in some profit, you move your stop up to break even. All right, square is making a new high, 39.55. So we'll just let those, see if this last 750 can push up to 39.75, and I'll take a little bit more off up there. And I'm about to be stopped out of play. Stop is at 56.14. So I'm flattening out of this play. Let this square ride out. I'm gonna go ahead and sell some square up here, 250 shares at 39.45. So I got 250 left. And right, my stop is at 39.09 for or square. Square. 39.27. We got NTNX gapping up overnight because of earnings. Got some previous resistance. Hopefully it can turn into some new support right here, 34.86. So if that level can hold, it could be a buy. Up above 35.73. NTNX is holding up. So I'll wait for this first 1 minute bar to close before I make a true decision on what I'm going to do. I'm going to step into this NTNX around 35.80. Put my stop right here at the open, which would be 35.12. So I'm gonna go ahead and NTNX up 16.05, what, 36.05, long from 35.84. Go ahead and let half go on it. Let half go at 36.36. My stop is 35.83 for NTNX. NTNX new highs. Move the stop up to 36.05. So I'm gonna step into this AMBA right here. At 62, is that 62.69? Got filled up above this first 5 minute high. All right, up to 36.90 NTNX, looking good. Up full point. Go ahead and let 250 go up there. So I got 250 shares left. Move my stop 36.25. $37.27 NTNX got us a centipede. All these legs, thing keeps running higher and higher. Boom, 37.40. Sell another 100. And now I won't sell anymore. My stop is, I'll just move this stop up. Let's see what it can do. On NTNX, getting a pullback. AMBA, let's see how we're looking on the 1 minute. So my stop will be 61 on AMBA. So still long NTNX. Still have some AMBA right here, 16.69. Boom, 16.63.88 AMBA. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Patience is a virtue in this business, man. Patience is a virtue. Stay patient, stay calm. Don't get too frazzled. Let your plan work. So I'm gonna sell half right here. It's AMBA 63.50. Right, so move my stop up to break even. New high 37.78. NTNX. New high AMBA 63.95. So I'm going to close out. We got 1, 2, 3. I'll let this next 5-minute candle form on NTNX. That's going to determine if I hold that trade or not. We get a 5-minute doji set up, then I'll close it out. You see we got kind of a topping tail a little bit on these last 2 candles, so let you know the stock is about to pull back. And my stop is going to be 37.07. So I am about to have to flat, well, let's see, we got level 2's looking equal. No really big sellers on AMBA, so I'm gonna hold it. Since it didn't go through my stop, it just tapped it. I'm not gonna close it out. If it goes through it, I would definitely flatten out. Boom, 37.87, 88, 90. NTNX. It's running. So this last piece is up 2 points, which is great. I'm gonna move my stop up to 37.35. And I'm going to stop out of this AMBA. Alright, so I stopped out of AMBA, small profit. Nothing to get too excited about, but profit is better than a loss. Stock pretty much went sideways for the past 15 minutes. Still holding NTNX. Breakthrough 37.50, I'll be out of it. So I'm flatten out of NTNX.